Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. This is very exciting. I just found out this KFC got limited edition KFC mask. Let's unboxing, and before that, this is the price for 590. Okay, the packaging came like this, and let's look into the details. Okay, so let's unboxing. Okay, so this is with the flasher. Let's see inside. So this is the one like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's look closely. The details. Yeah, this is to make it more tighter. The main highlights. So if you want to get it, purchase from KFC app. This is Dior Shaari, Maison Dor Network.